Hi and welcome to the eTravel Safety Academy. We're really glad that you guys have decided to sign up. We wanted to create this very quick video to show you how to use the administrative backend, particularly around setting up users, locations and groups the very first time. So this is the screen that you get when you first sign in. When you signed up, you go on a 14-day free trial. If at any time you would like to buy more licenses, you simply click up here on the licenses and payments button, and you can calculate how many licenses you need. So for example, if you need another 50 licenses, type in 50, it'll then calculate the charges that you need, and then you can go away and pay as you need. So how do we get started with Academy? So from the home screen, you can see immediately that you've got your 5 free licenses for 14 days. There's a total of 0 active users and there are 5 remaining licenses. So one of the things that we need to do before we get started is to create locations and groups. Now, you can create as many locations and groups as you need to administrate your business, but you only need one to get started. The idea of locations and groups are only there to really help you to administrate your team in the best way to suit your business. So let's go into locations. We're going to create one location and one group just to get us started. So by clicking on location, we're going to create a location, and here we go. We're going to put in London as a first place to start, and we create the location London. And as you can see, it appears down here. At any time you can view, edit or delete a location as you see fit. Then we're going to create a group. So we click on groups, we're going to create a group, and groups can be anything really. They can be any logical group of individuals as you see fit. A lot of our customers are using this to group together departments. So for this example, we're going to put travellers as the department. We're going to hit create, and as you can see, that then creates another group. Now, the most important one, of course, is to create the users. So we're going to create the users here, and you can see at the top again we've repeated the total number of users, the number of active licenses that you've got, your license balance, and the number of inactive users. Now you can create a user or you can import users via the CSV folder as well. And by default, when you create a new user, they are entitled to all of the courses that are on the eTS Academy. So let's create a user very quickly. Let's go create myself. So support at eTravel.com, and we'll put in my name. And as you can see, it's automatically selected the location and group for you. Now, what we've done is we've allowed it so that if you realise halfway through you need to create another location or another group, you can add or a location or add a group dynamically in line as you create a user. Obviously, this is not possible when you're doing a large import. You have to set up the locations and groups before you import the users. But once you put all the information in, just click create, and that person is then user is successfully created. What will happen now is that they'll be sent an email. From that email, they simply click, just like you did when you started this, to create a username and password, and then immediately they can get access to the courses. Now, with the users, you can also see here we've got this ability to deactivate a user, and you can see at the moment we've got 1 total users, 1 active license, therefore your license balance is 4. If you deactivate a user, you can see that it then changes, so the license balance is 5. So at any time you can make somebody active or inactive, and it impacts your license balance. Over here we can view or edit a user. So with view, we can see very quickly, you can see who they are, where they are, all the courses that they're entitled to, and the course status. So you can see by individual which courses they have completed or not completed. And we just go back. We can also go into edit, and here you can change the names or change their groupings as required. I hope you found that useful. It's a very quick video to help you guys get started. Any questions, please do email us at support@etravelsafety.com. Many thanks.